प्यारे बच्चों, आज हम एरियाज रिलेटेड टू सर्कल्स एक्सरसाइज फर्स्ट में से क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 करने जा रहे हैं। मुझे उम्मीद है कि आप बोर्ड की तरफ ध्यान रखोगे। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट क्या है? द रेडी ऑफ टू सर्कल्स आर 19 centimeter and 9 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of the circle which has circumference equal to the sum of the circumferences of the two circles. हमें क्वेश्चन क्या बता रहा है और क्या हमसे पूछता है? The radii of two circles are 19 centimeter and 9 centimeter. हमें दो सर्कल्स दिए गए हैं। Circle number 1, the radii of two circles are 19 centimeter. That will be 9 centimeter, this one and this one. We will consider it the second with 19 centimeter. Respectively, find the radius of the circle which has circumference equal to the sum of the circumferences of the two circles. अब हमें क्या करना है? हमें तीसरा सर्कल दिया गया है। हमें इस सर्कल का रेडियस मालूम करना है। जिसका शाबाश क्या बोलता है? Which has circumference equal to the sum of the circumferences of the two circles. यानी कि इस सर्कल की जो सर्कमफ्रेंस है वो इन दोनों सर्कल्स की सर्कमफ्रेंसेस के सम के बराबर है। तो हमें मालूम करना है इस बड़े वाले सर्कल की रेडियस क्या है। तो हम क्या लिखेंगे? We will write here radius of first circle ब्रैकेट में लिखेंगे R1 इज इक्वल टू क्या है? 19 सेंटीमीटर। वहां रेडियस ऑफ सेकेंड सर्कल दैट इज R2 इज इक्वल टू 9 सेंटीमीटर एंड सिमिलरली radius of third circle, let it will be or smaller. Okay, now what we will write? Let us first find the circumference of the first circle. First circle, circumference of first circle 2 pi r. ये जो आपने पहले ही पढ़ा है, शाबाश। वो क्या बनेगी? शाबाश 2 pi r1 that is 19 is equal to 19 is 38 centimeter. Now circumference of second circle 2 pi r2 is equal to 2 pi. Now second circle की जो रेडियस है वो 9 सेंटीमीटर है, is equal to 9 is 18, that is 18 pi centimeter. And the circumference of the third circle that is 2 pi or 3. Simply इसको तो हमें पता ही नहीं है रेडियस, ये हमें मालूम करनी है। इसकी सर्कल की रेडियस जो हमें मालूम करनी है, तो हम क्या करेंगे? नाउ इसकी जो सर्कमफ्रेंस है वो इन दो के सम के बराबर है। इन दो का जो की सर्कमफ्रेंस है, इसकी अपनी सर्कमफ्रेंस, इसकी अपनी सर्कमफ्रेंस, इन दोनों को मिलाना है, ऐड करना है, तो तब वो इसके बराबर हो जाएगी। तो हम क्या करेंगे? बाय द क्वेश्चन, circumference of third circle is equal to circumference of first circle plus circumference of second circle. So already हमें circumference of third circle is, that's 2 pi r3 is equal to circumference of first circle, that is circumference of first circle, 38 pi plus circumference of second circle, that is 18 pi. Okay, that implies 2 pi r3 is equal to 38 pi plus 18 pi. How much it is? That is 56 pi. Now 2 pi, that is r3 is equal to 56 upon 2 pi. 56 pi upon 2 pi. 2 pi and pi get cancelled. What will be the result? 2 to 4. 2 8 is 16. 2 8 is 16. So radius of the third circle. Therefore, the radius of the third circle is 28 centimeter. 28 centimeter. Now the circumference of the third circle is equal to the sum of the circumferences of the first and second circle. Circumference of the third circle is equal to the sum of the circumferences of the earlier given two circles, and we need to find the radii of the third circle. So what we wrote here, we wrote first radius of the first circle, that is 19 centimeter, radius of the second circle, that is 9 centimeter, radius of the third circle, let it be the r. So we need to find the circumference of the first circle, will be 2 pi r1. R1 is the radii of the first circle. So 2 pi 19. 19 is radius of that circle. So it will 219 38, that is 38 pi, and circumference of the second circle, that is 2 pi r square, that is 2 9 is 18, that is 18 pi, and similarly the circumference of the third circle is 2 pi r3, as the radius of the third circle is, let it be the r3, so we have wrote here r3. Now by the question, circumference of the third circle is equal to the sum of the circumferences of the these two circles, that is circumference of the first plus circumference of the second circle. So 2 pi r3 is equal to 38 pi plus 18 pi. So 38 plus 18, that is 56 pi. Now let us 2 pi, so r3 will become, when we divide both sides by 2 pi, 2 pi get cancelled here, and 56 pi upon 2 pi and pi here will get cancelled. So 56 divided by 2 is 28. So radius of the third circle is 28 centimeter. Okay, I hope you have got this.